FRMI stock analysis price predictions news. In this quick short 1-minute video, I will show you exactly how I would trade and analyze while using my strategy that I've refined over 47,000 videos over 5 years. This is sick. This is sick. Pre-market is already pumping. You know, yes, we don't have that much data with Fermi incorporated, but definitely something that we can use. I mean, let's say we open somewhere around here, which I'll definitely update. I'll just generally be waiting for a little correction, and then it's only in that opportunity where it corrects down and gives me a shift where I'll be fine with the buying side, right? But like randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. So we'll definitely be just keeping an eye on this. Just more data, you know, I just need more candles to appear, which basically more time needs to pass. So if you want to stay tuned, want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free, you know. If you want to get stock picks, click first link below. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.